Follow these steps to make Repost private on TikTok. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Over here, you're gonna find different icon. Click on this one icon. With that, you're gonna find all the videos that you have reposted. Now, how can you make these reposts private? For that, what you have to do is switch your TikTok account to the private account. For that, click on three bars given at the top right. Click on the option settings and privacy. Click on the option privacy. Enable for the option of private account. Once you have switched your account to the private, now what you have to do is you can head back. Now only your follower list will be able to see your repost. So this way you can make repost private on TikTok. In case you don't want to make your TikTok account private but you want to hide these reposts, what you can do is you can save the reposted videos. Open any of the video that you have reposted, then click on the save icon. Then you can remove the repost. Now head over to this save icon and over here you're gonna find all the videos that you have saved. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.